All your stuff is here, Tim. So, getting started. First thing I'm going to do, drain the oil. Then drop the cross member down here. And like I stated earlier, I got to undo the idler. Pull that down and get the pan off. I'm also going to drain the trans, which will be not fun. Not fun at all. I got to do that. Get started on pulling the drive shaft out. Let's see how far we can get today. Ugh, she's been dripping. Anyway, yeah. Scotty's popping the shaft, which...
Go figure.
What else is new? Did you ever think your evening job would copy your day job?
I know, right?
The shaft poppins. He's got to pry it a little harder, big boy.
It's like nothing wants to... Put your hand on that so I can use both hands.
You want me to hold your shaft?
Yes, hold my shaft, please.
Oh my God.
Hold on.
I'm getting anxious.
Well, it was in the hole.
It's so big in my hand.
I know, right?
Okay, pull the
That's
other
what she
U-bolt.
said. Bump.
No one's ever told that to me.
Okay, get ready. Put the bucket to catch the dripping.
Okay, well, let's move these. Move those, please. The bucket. The buquit. Buquito. Ay, papito. Okay, pull it out gently, Scotty. Pull it out nice and slow. Oh, Daddy. Whoa. Easy. That was too dirty. Oh, that's seen better days. There's a nice ridge on that. Work it, girl. You were getting it. When you were rattling it back and forth.
It's got suction.
That's what she said. It's got that backseat rhythm.
Ready?
Oh, Poppy. Luckily, we're going right in.
Make sure we're aiming good because I'm not going to pull it out until I know good.
Yeah, we're pretty nice. Pull it gently. Oh, yeah, you're good. Beautiful. Damn, Scotty, you really know how to work your shaft.
Well, I've grown quite accustomed to it. I've had it a few years.
Oh, my God.
And look, it's even a polished tip.
Inside, it's ribbed for your pleasure.
Oh.
It's always dirty jokes with us. All right, so that's going to drain. And then Scotty's going to pull the pan next. Once this is done doing its thing. And then he's got to pull this cross member. Because he's got to pull that tail shaft housing because that's leaking like a sieve. All right, got the cross member out of the way. Got our idler arm. Ow, motherfucker! My ratchet fell out of my extension and hit me in the toe. Thank God for steel toes, but it missed the steel. It's fine.
It's still good.
Thanks. Muskrat, you're great.
Hey.
All right, so I'm going to pull this oil pan. Muskrat's going to pull this trans pan, which I have the socket already here, so we could probably knock it all out at once. Were you looking for the socket? He's not amused. Too bad. Is that a ½ inch, or are you just happy to see me?
I have spent 5 minutes of my life that I will never get back looking for a socket that is in your hand.
I'm sure you've wasted more time on less important bullshit.
Yes, I have. I've wasted way more time on porn. Yes.
All right, so I'm going to blast this apart. Then you can blast this apart because it's ½ inch. Oh, do you want to use the other cordless? And then we could be like, Team Cordless! All right, we're on it. So, all bolts are out of the pan. It's just hanging on there, probably with the 4 gallons of silicone that somebody put on it to hold it. because they don't know what they're doing. So I'm gonna get up here and start popping it loose, pull it down. You can see it's got a lot of runs and dents, and yeah, it's not in the best of shape. Let's discuss maybe replacing this, Tim. Just you know, for S&Gs and leak prevention. But all right, I'm gonna get it down and we're gonna go from there. Okay, so after beating the living shit out of this because some clown silicone bombed it, I finally got it to come apart. Careful, 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 careful. There you go.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, figured I'd help you pull out. Smells good. It's clean. That ain't bad. Pickup's nice.
Well, thank you. I like... Ooh, wait.
That's just a piece of gasket, it looks like. Yeah. Yeah, it's just a piece of gasket. No big deal. Oh my God. Damn.
I am seeing that.
We're gonna have manifold off and the water pump off. Do you like to change this timing set? Because the timing covers literally maybe 6 more bolts. That's like my ex. It's so floppy and loose. It's like Joey's Mustang was.
Yeah.
But that's because it's
Actually, I think it's worse than Joey's Mustang.
because that's link type instead of roller. I'd put a double roller in there. Easy peasy.
Oh, yeah. We did the same thing with Joey's, and it was amazing.
So let us know, because that is no es a bueno.
No bueno.
Look at that. That's at least 5 to 6 degrees of timing.
Separation.
Exactly. Scotty, we're going to have 6 degrees of separation. Just kidding. That's going to suck.
Yeah.
You rub it in. Thanks. All right.
One out.
What? All right, so I'm going to start cleaning this disaster off of here because, ew. All right. All right, so note, everybody, that the windage tray is double gasketed, which, of course, does not help prevent leaks. Because most of these windage trays are studded. I'd come in from over here, Scotty, because it's already down, and just pop it. Let's get that down and out. I like that, though. That's nice. So we'll order up a windage tray because I do not want there to be none, obviously. But I'm worried about silicone leaky mess. So get that pulled, Scotty, and then we will...
That's not going to do me any good.
Well, nobody does you any good anyway.
Oh my God.
Yeah, someone went stupid nuts with the silicone. It's quite annoying. There's no way to save that because of how much it's siliconed, unfortunately. Because people is stupid.
I don't...
Go get the bigger scraper out of the drawer. Like there's a fat one. Then you can go in there and go beep, 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 beep. Right? There it goes. There it goes. Pop goes the weasel and the weasel goes pop. Pop goes the muskrat and the muskrat goes male pattern baldness. He's gonna punch me, everybody. Matter of time.
No.
Are we having fun yet, Scotty?
Oh yeah.
Silicone windage tray sandwich, Scotty.
This is gonna have to.
Well, it comes off anyway because it's in the gasket kit that the pickup has to come off.
Yes, correct.
So we'll be doing that. Okay, go back to the trans pan. I'll fight this.
Ate.
Ate? Ate. All right. So, how's the pan coming? We got the engine windage tray off, and we're actually using it as a drip pan to help guide the trans fluid in. So that's good. So we get that handled.
So now, I'm trying to not make a big, huge mess in this man's immaculate garage. And it is. It's beautiful. I love this place.
We know you do. Careful. Well, we're gonna get you a new trans pan anyway. We do not like this ding dang dent. Dang oh ding dang dent. So, anywho, looking good, Scotty. Not you, the draining.
We're not dripping on the floor.
Nope. We do need to loosen up some of those bolts, though. There we go. Get this baby apart, done. Get this situation addressed.